What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to add and subtract square roots that need simplification. First one, this example is square root of 20 plus 3 root 5. So the answer is 20 is multiplication of 4 times 5. So it will be square root of 4 times square root of 5 plus 3 root 5. 4 is 2 squared, so square root of 2 squared is going to be just 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5 will be 5 root 5. Next example, we have root 18 plus 6 root 2. The answer is (18) is 9 times 2 plus 6 root 2. It will be 9 is 3 squared times root 2 plus 6 root 2. Square root of 3 squared is just 3 root 2 plus 6 root 2. 3 plus 6 is 9, so it's going to be 9 square root of 2. Next example, we have root 27 plus 4 root 3. Answer is root 7 is 9 times 3 plus 4 root 3. It's going to be square root of 3 squared times root 3 plus 4 root 3. Square root of 3 squared is 3. 3 plus 4 is going to be 7 root 2. Next example is square root of 48 minus square root of 75. Answer is 48 is 16 times 3 and 75 is 25 times 3. Square root of 16 is 4, so it's going to be 4 root 3. Square root of 25 is 5 root 3. 4 minus 5 is negative 1, so it's going to be negative root 3. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.